5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have at it, boys and girls. Oh, we're getting some good hits early here in heat number 2. They're fired up. Oh, good hit by car 02. Oh, look at that. These guys aren't afraid. Oh, look at that. Oh, not as big as I thought it was going to be. The pit's dried out a bit, ladies and gentlemen. They're getting some good traction. Good traction equals good hits. Oh, look at that. Three-way crunch right there. Whoa, evasive maneuvers. Look at here. Bang! Oh, there we go, another hit. Just keep piling it on. Oh, we got a couple of cars hooked together here. Oh, they're unhooked now. Good hit here right in the corner. Shove him up against the wall. Number 444 and 666, we're dueling it out there. 173 is trying to finish off the two cars in the northwest corner. Oh. Another good hit. Oh, good hit there on 666. Whoop. He's just blowing off a little steam.
Come on, get in there.
Looks like we're down to it here now, ladies and gentlemen.